Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest tech reviews and insights. Today, we're diving into the world of Raspberry Pi accessories with a groundbreaking product, the Pineberry Pi Hat Drive. This little gadget promises to turbocharge your Raspberry Pi 5 by allowing you to use NVMe SSDs with it. Let's find out if it lives up to the hype. Alright, folks, let's get into the nitty-gritty details of the Pineberry Pi Hat Drive. First off, what exactly is it? And what does that mean for you? It means lightning-fast data transfer speeds and the potential for some serious performance upgrades for your Pi projects. Now, let's talk specs. The Pineberry Pi Hat Drive comes in two parts, the top and the bottom. The top fits on top of your Raspberry Pi 5, while the bottom goes underneath. Both support PCIe X1 with Gen 2 and Gen 3, and they're compatible with various NVMe SSD sizes, from 2230 to 2280. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the included standoffs and FPC ribbon cables. Just connect it to the PCIe interface of your Raspberry Pi 5, and you're good to go. But here's the catch. Software installation can be a bit tricky at the moment, due to the evolving nature of the specs. So, be prepared to do some tinkering to get everything up and running smoothly. Now, let's talk performance. The Pineberry Pi Hat Drive delivers where it counts. With NVMe SSDs, you'll see significant speed improvements over traditional microSD cards. We're talking faster boot times, snappier app launches, and overall smoother performance. So, what's the verdict? It's easy to install, delivers blazing fast speeds, and doesn't get in the way of your GPIO pins. However, it's not without its drawbacks, particularly when it comes to drive compatibility. In conclusion, if you're willing to put in a little extra effort to iron out the kinks, the Pineberry Pi Hat Drive is worth considering. Just make sure to check SSD compatibility before making your purchase. And with that, we wrap up our review of the Pineberry Pi Hat Drive. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Until next time, happy tinkering!